Students, now let's see the translation of future continuous tense. So, how to translate it into Urdu? First of all, let's see what is the identification. In Urdu sentences, there comes रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे, etc. उर्दू जुमले के आखिर में, okay, these words you can see in the end of Urdu sentences. As you can see in example number 1, सूरज तुलू हो रहा होगा. Okay, this is the identification of future continuous tense. रहा होगा, माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा होगा. Okay, now let's start. First one is सूरज तुलू हो रहा होगा. Now first of all, as I explained you its formulas. So first of all, the subject. So which is the subject over here? Sun. So the sun, and with the sun we will the helping verb is will be. The sun will be tulu rise, and we use ing form of verb. Rise, rising. The sun will be rising. Okay students, number 2, माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा होगा. So this is positive structure of future continuous tense. So which is the subject over here? The gardener will be watering. This is the action, water, and ing form of verb, watering the plant. Okay students, example number 3, बच्चे नहीं रो रहे होंगे. Students, you can see here this new word नहीं, okay, which means not. So this is negative of future continuous tense. Whenever you see this word नहीं, it means this is a negative sentence, and in the end रहे होंगे, so future continuous tense. So what is the subject over here? Children. Children, and with children we use will not be weeping, will not be weeping. As I told you that in negative structure, in negative sentences we will separate will and be, and in the center we will add not. Will not be. Number 4, फकीर भीख नहीं मांग रहा होगा. First of all, we will write the subject nahi. This is also negative sentence. Fakir, the beggar, will not be begging, and then full stop. Next one, number 5, सूरज कब निकल रहा होगा. कब, okay, when. So we will start from here. When will the sun be rising? With the first form of verb we will add ing. So when will the sun be rising? Number 6, औरतें कहाँ गा रही होंगी. You can see in the end question mark. So this is also interrogative, and the above sentence is also interrogative. So औरतें कहाँ. Students, whenever you see this word कब, कहाँ, so we will use कब when, कहाँ where. Where will, again औरतें कहाँ गा रही होंगी, again we will start from where. Where will the woman be singing? नेक्स्ट वन, नंबर 7, क्या लड़का अपना सबक याद कर रहा होगा? अगेन दिस इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. विल द बॉय be reading his lesson? Will the boy be reading? याद करना.